Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Kevin Fahey has come out with online marketing success for 2024. And this is the exit pop that gives you the PDF. So instead of spending, I think, $17, it's $11.95. So this is an exit pop. So the best way to just grab it is you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. A bit of a description of everything there and the one-time offers and all of that. Click the product box at the bottom, and it'll take you to this page. Wait for the page to fully load up, then run your cursor to the X that's on the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Don't click on the X, just get up there, and this will pop up, and you can grab it for $11.95. But what are you getting for your $11.95? Let's get rid of that pop-up. Here's the inside. It's Success System for 2024. I'm just going to roll quickly through this step-by-step video training. So that part, you can see you're getting the PDF if you get the $11.95 thing, case steps, everything. I'm just going to actually go back to this, which is that Kevin has sold. Let's leave that there, and I'll just quickly run through from my site. There we go. Online marketing success for 2024 video training and PDF report. So for $11.95, we're just going to get the PDF with case studies, step-by-step over-the-shoulder training, exactly what you need to become successful from 16 years of experience and millions of dollars in online earnings. 8 modules, hours of video training and bonuses. And again, you can get just the PDF for $11.95. And there's a bump offer, which is Kevin's $1,997 high-ticket coaching. You're like, whoa, I was going to spend $11.95, not $2,000. I think that's the bump. That's the $37 thing. I can see here, bump, I am VIP training, I am coaching series, I am internet marketing for $37. So the link is in there. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com, and then you can grab a copy of this. Kevin Fahey giving you everything he's got. And you can see here $17.44, but if you go to exit from this page, again, you'll get the exit pop that'll offer you just the PDF for $11.95. So check it out. Everything you need for online marketing success in 2024 from Kevin Fahey. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link in the video description to go check it out. Enjoy.